With Taiwan's COVID cases on the rise, pandemic insurance has soared in popularity. According to the government, nearly 3 million pandemic policies have been sold so far this year. But the Consumers Foundation warns the public to read the fine print carefully before they buy, because there could be exclusions that end up costing big bucks.
With COVID cases rising, sales are sky high for pandemic insurance. The phone rings off the hook at this office. As of May 17th, 2.89 million COVID insurance policies have been sold this year, according to the Insurance Bureau. More than 500,000 of those policies were sold in the week between May 13th and 19th. But in the rush to get insured for a disaster, don't forget to read the fine print.
The insurance policy might offer a payout for hospitalization and for isolation, but currently hospitals in Taiwan are scaling back inpatient stays to prevent overcrowding, so that the hospital system won't collapse. So would an alternative accommodation arrangement count as hospitalization?
The Consumers Foundation points out that, per CECC orders, hospitals are prioritizing severely ill COVID cases for inpatient care. Those with mild symptoms or none at all are likely to be housed in centralized quarantine facilities or in designated quarantine hotels. Whether such patients could file an insurance claim could become a future source of contention.
For our survey, we randomly sampled the pandemic policies offered by 4 life insurance companies and 4 non-life insurance companies. For the most part, the policies offered by these 8 companies permit claims only in the event of hospitalization, of treatment in a negative pressure isolation ward, or both.
Fubon Insurance says it will revise its policies to accommodate cases who aren't admitted to a hospital due to overcrowding. Cathay Life Insurance and Shinkhong Life Insurance say such cases may be eligible for claims if they have appropriate documentation from a hospital. The Consumers Foundation says people thinking of buying insurance should scrutinize the terms lest they miss out on a payout down the line.